Hello everyone, welcome to zkDungeon, the world's first hybrid zk optimistic roguelike protocol built for the Walrus Hackathon 2025. Our core philosophy is simple: truth over belief. In the current gaming landscape, players are forced to trust centralized servers or suffer from slow blockchain speeds. We are here to change that. Until now, developers faced a painful trade-off. On one hand, fully on-chain games are secure but unplayable. Waiting for blockchain block times for every single movement breaks immersion and makes real-time gameplay impossible. On the other hand, Web 2.5 games are fast but untrusted. You are forced to trust the central server. You don't truly own your assets if the admin controls the RNG and logic. Also, there are famous incidents that manipulation really happened in famous games. So we needed a third way, a game with zero latency and trustless security, and that is zkDungeon protocol. This is our solution, a hybrid architecture that decouples physics from intent. First, we use zk proofs to guarantee the validity of every state transition, like movement and HB changes. This runs on RISC-0 or SP1 zk VM, ensuring the physics are physically valid. However, zk verification of state transitions isn't enough. A player could still craft valid but malicious actions to cheat the AI logic. To solve this, we use optimistic fraud proofs. The logic is deterministic and the action logs are stored off-chain but verified on-chain. Here is where Walrus becomes our security backbone. For fraud proofs to work, the action data must be guaranteed to exist. Storing full history on L1 is too expensive. Walrus provides the essential data availability needed to secure our system efficiently. And thanks to the native interoperability between Sui and Walrus, our smart contract atomically verifies that the zk proof's output matches the Walrus blob ID in a single transaction. This guarantees that the data used for fraud proofs is bit for bit identical to the verified state. Now let's see it in action. On the left screen, I'm playing zkDungeon. As you can see, I'm moving and attacking in the real time, like this. It runs absolutely with zero latency. But as you can see in the right side, you can see the log. It is making the proofs right now. And we can see here, yeah, I have already made one proof because it takes a little, about 40 seconds. So we can create the session object here. We can paste it into the Sui Explorer. Yeah, we can so check the session object here in the testnet. So the next step is we can upload this action log to the Walrus. So we can also check the blob object, the Sui Explorer. Yeah, so lastly we can submit the blockchain, but it has a little bit of an error between the verifier contract because SP1 Sui is behind the latest version, so I will skip this one. Currently, we have a functional TI client, POC level implementation of smart contracts, Walrus integration, and zk proofs. In phase 2, we'll introduce compiler-driven custom zk circuit generation for even faster proving. In phase 3, we'll extend our protocol to support P2P multiplayer. By using deterministic lockstep sync verified by zk, we can bypass the FLP impossibility and enable trustless multiplayer without a central server. And we'll develop the game itself to become a really good game to play, not just an experimental protocol. And for the appendix, These are some diagrams for zkDungeon, so please stop the video and take a look if you are interested. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out with this email. Thank you.